Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card or create a card into Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to create a card in Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application. And after that, tap into this plus button at the bottom right corner. And from there, you will get to see this card option. Just simply tap into that card option, and from here you will get the option to add the card. Now a card in Trello is just like a detailed informations about something. That depends on what purpose your card holds. First of all, you have to select a board and then you can choose a list into here. For example, I'm making this card for my project. And after that, just simply describe your project into this description. For example, you can describe the purpose of the card into this description. Now, you can add the members into the card and then start date and due date into another section. Then after that, add attachment. To make it more appealing, you can choose so many options into here. Just simply do that and tap into this checkmark icon into top right corner. Then after that, your card will successfully be created for some specific board. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.